If your Chevy Traverse won't start, don't panic. Follow this guide to find the culprit in minutes. Data shows that over 70% of no-start cases are traced back to simple battery failures. Let's break down the diagnostic process step by step. Start by checking your battery terminals and testing the voltage with a multimeter before moving to the scanner. Corroded cables and faulty relays are common culprits that interrupt power to the starter motor. Also inspect the ignition fuses and ensure your gear shifter is fully engaged in park. Simple cleaning might save you a trip, but internal starter or timing failures require professional intervention. Notice how the cost jumps significantly once you move from electrical maintenance to major component replacement. If it still won't turn, perform a load test or check for fuel pressure to rule out engine-side failures. Keep a basic multimeter and a scanner in your kit. They are the best friends of any home mechanic. Always remember that patience is key when troubleshooting fragile electrical connections. If this helped you get back on the road, hit subscribe and check the description for more guides.